What's up, guys? This is Skate right now, and I'm gonna make a bike check of my 2010 Subrosa Lithium Dirt. I'm making this for my boy Tyler Sutton. Alright, here's the bike. I'm running the stock 2.5 by 28 rise, 28 wide bars, shadow, hold on stem, Pandora forks, stock front wheel and tire, and then I got the stock seat right here, and then I got the stock 3-piece cranks, and I have a pink KMC colored chain with purple Colony Fantastic plastic pedals, and then I got stock in the back too, besides this Max's Holy Roller. I put that on. Here's the hub sound. That's I ungreased it. Pretty loud, I like it. It's a nice bike. 25 pounds. It's a Subrosa Pandora frame. And got the ODI long necks right here. And that's my bike check for my Subrosa. It's a little dirty. My dad cleaned up the basement. Alright. Yeah, it's my bike. And I got the tat to match right there. Subrosa. Love you guys.